Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be learning about classes and IDs in HTML. So basically classes and IDs are used to uniquely identify different HTML tags. A class name can be used by multiple HTML elements, while an ID name must only be used by one HTML element within the page. So for example, let's create a h1 tag and a paragraph tag. Let's give the paragraph tag some content to work with. Let's create another h1 tag and paragraph tag. Now, let's head over to the web page and see if everything is working. Well, everything is working as it should be. So let's now add the class and ID attribute in each of the tags and see what changes does it make to the web page. But before adding the attributes, let me introduce the style tag. Now a style tag is nothing but a way to write CSS within the HTML page. Of course, this is not the right and healthy way to write CSS. But for the sake of learning further about HTML, let's write a small CSS code in here. So let's assume that I wanted to change the color of first h1 tag. So in the style tag, we've just changed the color of first h1 tag to color brown. Okay, now let's see if this changes the color of our first h1 tag or not. So here you can see that we've successfully changed the color of our h1 tag. Cool. But along with that, we can see that our second h1 tag has also changed the color, and that is something we didn't intend to do. So now let's add the class attribute to the h1 tag. And do remember that a class attribute is represented with a dot in CSS, and an ID is represented with a £sign or a hashtag. Okay, now let's refresh the page and see. Here it is. What we actually wanted is done by the class attribute. So now you can understand the meaning and importance of class attribute in HTML. Okay, now let's the same with paragraph, but let's add ID now. Remember, IDs are always represented with hashtag or a $sign. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so here you can see that IDs also do pretty much the same thing, but you just have to make sure that the name of class can be used multiple times and IDs can be used only one time within the HTML page. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Until then, peace.